What's up guys, welcome back to yet another video. So OnePlus has started rolling out Jan update for OnePlus 15 and this time it's OxygenOS 16.0.3. So here I have my OnePlus 15. I've already updated the device. Let me show you the software information by going to about section. Here you can see it says OxygenOS version is 16.0.3 and if I show you exact version is now 16.0.3.501 and it comes with 1st Jan 2026 security patch. I directly received an OTA update without going to the RC update section and let me show you the update size and other details. So the update size was 1.01 GB. But if you take a look at the changelogs, they haven't mentioned anything about new features other than some changes under security and privacy and some improvements under network connection. But there are some optimizations related to animations along with the changes what they have mentioned. We'll talk about them also in this video. But before that guys, if you find the content useful to you guys, then make sure to smash the like button and also consider subscribing. So first of all, they have updated the launcher and now the launcher version is 16.4.10. Previously on 16.0.2, the launcher version was 16.4.3. And now due to this updated launcher, the animations are slightly changed. So if I open and close these bigger shape applications, you'll see slight changes in the animation. I'm not sure you guys are able to see that or not, but there are slight changes which you guys can feel. And the overall blurriness have also been improved after this latest update of OxygenOS 16.0.3. This you'll mostly notice while opening or closing the applications with the bigger size. And after that, under launcher, they have also removed the layout options of 5x7. You can see now it only says 4 column and 5 column. Previously it used to say 4x6, 5x6 and 5x7. Also still they haven't fixed two issues, which is on almost all the OnePlus smartphones. So if you are using AI suggest widget and whenever you slide the widget, you can see the background initially it's in gray color and it takes half a second to get back that transparent. This issue is almost on all OnePlus smartphones. After that, finally they have fixed the issue of AI writer. But those words like Arunachal Pradesh still doesn't work. But if you are using AI writer for other things, now it works perfectly fine. So here you can see on both the devices, towards the left hand side I have my OnePlus 13 which is running on OxygenOS 16.0.2 and here towards the right hand side we have OnePlus 15 which is running on OxygenOS 16.0.3. If I tap on AI writer on both the devices, you can see on this device it says not supported, but here it still pops up. And from here I'm able to use the AI writer feature on OnePlus 15 after this latest update. But that issue which was highlighted in past is still not been fixed. And this app pic got redesigned. Now you can see we have bigger tiles instead of this list view which we used to see before. We have the update tab followed by uninstall and download. So slight changes they have done in this application also. So these are the changes what they haven't mentioned in the changelogs. Now let's talk about the changes what they have mentioned in the changelog. And guys, those are completely useless changelogs which were already there on the previous build. So first one, it says they have integrated the security patch of Jan 2026 which I've already shown you. Under security and privacy they say you can now browse files in private safe by sliding the sidebar. So let me open up the sidebar here and if I go to edit section, scrolling down, here we should get an option of private safe which is not here. But to get that feature over here, you need to add the private safe shortcut on the home screen. So let me open up private safe, tapping on these three dots, settings, and if I add home screen icon, now if I open up the smart sidebar or the sidebar, tapping on edit, if I scroll down now, you can see private space option have been added. And the same thing goes here on OnePlus 13 which is running on the older version. If I open up private safe here and now if I add the shortcut, you'll see even on this device I'll be able to access private safe from the smart sidebar. If I scroll down, here we have the private safe. So there's nothing changed. It was introduced in past itself, but now they are adding in the changelogs. Then talking about other changes in the private safe, you can now search for the files from folders in private safe. So these two things which includes share files in the private safe, these two options were already there. So let me again open up the private safe. So here we have the search icon to search the files, tapping on these three dots. And if you open up any folders, for example, let's take this, tapping here, now they have added this list view text, which was an icon on the previous build. So this is another minor change. But other than that, if you open up any file in the private safe, you do have an option to share, which was even on 16.0.2. So basically nothing major comes with Jan security patch for OnePlus smartphone. I mean specifically for OnePlus 15, and I'm not expecting anything big from OnePlus even for other OnePlus smartphone. But very soon I'll be dropping an in-depth review of OnePlus 15 and I'll also be comparing it with Vivo X300 Pro. If you guys have any specific questions, let me know in the comment section below. So guys, this was a small video on talking about the changes, what you'll see with the 16.0.3 update for OnePlus smartphones. As of now, only this much in this video. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.